day. It is our last day here. It's finally warming up. It's not freezing like it was yesterday. Our flight has been delayed by a half hour. St. Louis is being hit with a snowstorm right now. So we have a little time to kill. We're going to walk over to Hollywood Studios. We don't have to check out of this room until 11. I was playing with my lizard monkey last night, and his battery's dead. So he's not working, and it was $69.99, way too much to have to go home and buy a new battery. It should come with working batteries. So we're going to take my monkey with my receipt over to Galaxy's Edge and ask to exchange it for a working one. So yeah, tip for anyone who wants one, double check that the batteries are working before you leave. I should have. I just was so excited and overwhelmed by Galaxy's Edge. On the bottom of the monkey, there's an on and off switch, and you just need to turn it on and press one of the buttons and make sure the sound feature works. I should have did that, but I just didn't think. I kind of also feel like maybe the cast members should double check them when she boxes them up. Just, I don't know. I think they should do that. I feel like they did that with when I bought the Banshee. But no big deal. We have time to kill. I'll walk over there. As long as they don't give me a hard time exchanging it, it's all good. But I don't see a reason they give me a hard time. But if they do, I'll let you know. So yeah, we're gonna go home to snow. Fun times. And I'm not really exactly happy that the flight is delayed, but I'd rather have it delayed than canceled. So it could always be worse. Alright, so I'm actually packing. I did not have to buy a second suitcase, thank goodness, but it is tight fit. How does this work? Oh my god. Okay. It's too early for this complicated match. Okay. See, everything is shoved into this suitcase. That suitcase, I think we're good. I wrap everything in our clothes. It was funny that I was listening to my favorite sports channel the other day, and they all like announce hockey, and so they travel a lot because they follow their hockey team. And they were all talking about like when they pack, if you don't wear your, after you get back from a trip, the clothes that you don't wear, like, do you hang them back up or do you wash them because they're technically not dirty? And so the guys were debating, a couple of them hang them back up and a couple of them wash them. I'm the washing. I don't care if I wore it or not. It's been in the suitcase. I always wash it whether I wore it or not. I just take everything out of the suitcase and wash it. Even though halftime, like these two shirts Robert never wore because hello, it's been cold, but doesn't matter. Everything is washed. So yeah, that's just, I don't know, I thought it was funny that other people think about that stuff too. So, small world it is. We just went through security it's pretty crowded, but security was very quick. They're moving people quickly. So, if you want to do the Rise of the Resistance, you have to be here at 7. Otherwise, you are not riding Rise of the Resistance. Right. I keep seeing lifeguard people stationed along this walk, and there's people with bibs. So that marathon weekend was like last weekend, but there must be another race going on right now. They're all wearing bibs and stuff. Pretty cool. I stay out of their way. So there's not like tons like normal marathon, so I don't know how it is. Trying to read their bibs. Some kind of event. Is that our day yet? I don't know what race it is. Disney's just got tons of races. We'll run Disney's like a big business now. So anyway, we're gonna walk back to our hotel. We're gonna miss this walk. It's my favorite walk. We're gonna get something to eat in the cafe and then check out and head to the airport. To the St. Louis Falls City. There's some more people running right here. I can't read these books. This print is too small. That is a 5K that the Beach and Yacht Club put on. That's pretty cool. I don't know if they do it weekly. They don't do it daily. They might do it weekly. So, just a little 5K at the Beach and Yacht Club. I didn't know that. Next time we stay there, we'll have to look into that. We used to run a lot, like 3 years ago. I've actually run the half Disney marathon, but I don't know. I hurt the top of my foot and just haven't got back into running since then. So I really need to. I'm just going through a lazy time in my life. I like to walk, I just don't like to run. And Shepherd. We're at the Java Hut at the Swan. Java something. Is it the Java Hut? We'll just say it's Java. We're gonna get an egg muffin. $9.50 for that muffin. Definitely not McDonald's here. And they're pretty. They are. I mean, I don't know. We're hungry. It's Disney. We'll eat it. Can I get an orange juice? Sure. Orange juice sounds good. Oh, look at that. They got someone, I don't know, a Lawrence Brandlard. LB. Lawrence Brandlard. I know. They look like a Norman Love chocolate. And then they got, I don't know what that is.
2 large coffee, 1 mango, 1 egg smoke, and a small vanilla latte. Yes. The base and 30. Hello, sweetie, how are you?
Hi. Alright, 2 egg muffins and an orange juice. $23.96.
Yeah.
Gotta love hotel muffins. Alright, we're back in St. Louis. As you can see, it is snowing out. Our flights was delayed, but then they ended up leaving on time anyway, and they said the delay wasn't because of weather, it was because of I don't know, it's just something else. So I just thought that, I guess, see, we're all worried, but it's like Colorado, you know, Denver, they deal with snow every day and flights land, so it didn't affect the flight at all. We were all paranoid that it would, but it didn't. So we're now home. But it did, the weather did affect it in the fact that we should have been home an hour ago. But once we landed in St. Louis and got our luggage, the traffic on the actual roads have been crazy, and so it's taken twice as long to get home. And so I'm not going to be able to package real quick like I wanted to, because the post office is closing in a half hour. I should have had like 2 hours to package, so oh well. I did give my shipping time like 5 days, so you know, I'm within my shipping time. It's just if any buyers complain, I'm sorry, can't help the weather. And it's good to be home, but I kind of miss Florida already. Do you miss? The only thing I miss is, like, as we're driving, I'm thinking, what am I gonna have for dinner tonight?
Yeah.
There's no fancy Epcot food for dinner tonight.
It's so blah. Everything's dead.
It's a little blah right now.
And everything was green down there. I kind of miss the green.
Yeah, it's cold. It's snowing, and all I'm thinking about is food. And there's nothing good for dinner because our fridge is empty. And who wants to go to the grocery store in this snowy weather? Waffles. I have ingredients for waffles. That's about it. We're having waffles for dinner. Robert's like, what?
Yeah, exactly.
There might be a frozen pizza or two. But yeah, anyway, this was actually one of our better trips. I can't think of anything that went wrong. Can you?
Yeah.
No? The only food I didn't like was the lobster chips. Yeah, I can't think of anything that went wrong. Nothing bad happened. No breakdowns. It was definitely one of our better trips. We actually most of our trips are good. It's very rare that there's an issue, but you know, life happens. So starting off the new year great. Our trip to Sanibel was perfect, and this trip to Disney was perfect. So even the snow is fine. We still got home just in time. It's fine. It's not sticking. Holly said the girls still had school today, even though the snow, because it's not ice. It's just snow. It's ice that we worry about. So anyway, I can't wait to get home. Of course, you know, I'll add the cat video at the end. I always like to record when I get home because our cats are so excited to see us. And if you're a pet lover like me, it's cute to watch. It's very cute to watch. So, and I did get another pet today while I was in Galaxy's Edge. So I had this sticking out of my backpack the whole time walking around the airport. It's fun. I got tons of looks. It was a lot of fun. I might just carry him around everywhere.
People you can see that wanted to ask. What
Yeah, they wanted to ask. I'm just gonna. I actually already decided to like get a special bag just for him, so I can carry him around. Get a little collar on it and stuff. Oh yeah, this is my. I'm gonna be one of those weird people carrying around real borns everywhere and acting like they're real. That's gonna be my little pet named Bob. His name is Bob. Yes, it's weird. Don't ask, because my husband's name is also Bob. So that's another story. So, anyway, we're almost home. Alright, kitties, I'm home. There you are. Yes, look how quickly you run. Look how quickly you run. You are my track star. Yes, you are. Let's go find the other cats. Come on. Yes, come on. Show me where Monkey and Ollie are. Or, I'm sorry, you are Ollie. Show me where Monkey and Sunny is. Hi, Sunny. Are you coming to say hi? Come on, Sunny. Monkey's not leaving her bed.
Hi. Hi, mister.
Hi, Sunny. We're home. Yes, we are. Hey, Monkey.
Hi, Sunny.
This bed is a... Why are your beds stretched out? This is a warming bed. So she's all nice and warm. You can barely see her. She's our camo cat.
Hi, Monkey. It's good to see you. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, Ollie. Oh, I love you too. You're a nice guy. You are. You're a nice guy. Hi, Monkey. No purr. She's gonna shun me. Are you gonna shun me? Is this your Snakey? Is that your Snakey?
He's rubbing his face on your shoes.
That's fine.
Come here, Ollie.
Hey, baby
Let me
girl.
pick you up. Oh, I missed you. Yes, I did. Glad to be home.
Where's Sunny?
I don't know. Sunny left.
She left.
She went into the bedroom.
Oh, she's waiting.
No, you're not. There she is. Sunny, are you wanting to take a nap? Is that what's going on?
Sunny.
All right, we're home. I'm gonna unpack real quick and then spend some quality time with the cats. Very vocal, Ollie. Very vocal.